Bakit nga ba may ituring na investment na walang tapon ang Kaiser Saving Program? Here are 3 reasons. First, sa Kaiser kasi you are hitting 3 birds in 1 stone. Kasi this is mainly a long-term HMO na meron ng kasamang life insurance at investments. May hospitalization benefits na rin ito na pwede mong magamit once we get sick. At kung kunin naman tayo ni Lord ng mas maaga, mayroong instant money na matatanggap ang ating pamilya. At kung mahaba naman ang ating buhay, yung benefits natin, nag-earn ito ng interest over time. And upon maturity ng ating Kaiser plan, pwede mo na siyang makuha good as cash at pwede mong magamit sa iyong retirement. Second, kapag hindi mo nagamit ang inyong hospitalization benefits with Kaiser, habang nag-iipon ka dito ng 7 taon, may ibabalik sa iyo up to 85% of your premium.